Alright, so I'm at the bus now, and I just wanted to show my family what it sounds like when you go to start it up. When you first turn the key, it's like 45 degrees out, so it's pretty warm. You have to does a little self-test, tells you the glow plugs are warming up. When that green thing goes out, it'll be okay to start. Okay, we can start it now. Then gauges go up, do a self-test again, and air pressure is just coming up a little bit. There's one gauge for the rear axle, one gauge for the front axle. It's beeping because it's low pressure. You can't move it until you've got air pressure built. So that's what's going on. And that'll continue for a little while. It starts right up. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. And it's got air brakes. That's why we're waiting. When it gets to about 90 pounds, this thing will stop beeping. It'll run up to about between 90 and 130 pounds of pressure to satisfy the brakes. And then for braking, instead of a jake, like big tractor trailers have a jake, unloads pressure and slows you down. This has another stick, this little thing here. It's called Toma. That's what it's called. This little electric thing, 4 positions and off. Slows the bus down so that you're not using your brake shoes all the time to stop the bus. So I guess like a transit bus probably has these things as well, so that you can identify you're not wearing out your brakes that much. It'll stop and goes during the day. So it just kind of slows you down, and then you can hit the brakes and stop. So that's what's going on in here. It's a little noisy, but I'm just setting up the new passenger side mirror. Woohoo! And that way I can see what position I'm in. Just a little bit. The original mirror is motorized and heated and everything. But I bought one that was not heated and motorized for now. It's cheaper to get me through inspection and stuff. And later on we'll see about that. When I get the bus apart, the skins and everything off of this thing and reveal all the wiring, I'll be able to then identify the wire harness for the mirrors and wire up the heated mirror and all that. It's great having heated remote mirrors. I would imagine, especially on a bus, it's not like you're going to reach over there and adjust it. So, quite cool. Well, we're up to pressure now. The thing is, compressor's up just above 90 or almost 110 pounds. And it's a nice roar to it. It's not like a Detroit, but it's a Cummins turbo diesel. And 5-speed transmission. So it's a, what do you call it? M30 series, I guess, M3010, M3012 or something like that series transmission. I have the back wheels blocked, so you see this thing roars when you put it in gear. And right now the parking brake is on. pit units for it. And one of them, the guy said they had them working, so we'll see what happens. It'll be pretty cool to see. That's it. Oh, quiet. Probably need safety headphones to drive this thing. I'll be deafer than I am now, but it's pretty cool.